Students, the last dimension to be checked is the overall length. Okay, the overall length is drawn on the last line. As per the drawing, this overall length should be 100 with a tolerance of 0.285. So we have to check whether this is achievable by the chosen process sequence. So first you have to move along the left end to find out the latest operation carried out. It is moving further up to 8. It is moving. Am I right? Okay. You remember 8. Then we will move along right end of 43. So 23. So 23 and 8. Among the 23 and 8, which is the latest one? 23. So below 23, we have to draw a balanced dimension line for the same span of 43. Already one entry is there. So I am using next entry, next line. Okay, on line number 25, I am drawing a balanced dimension line for the same span of 43. Okay, so that 25 entry I am making against line number 43. Okay, what is the next thing you have to find out? You have to draw a loop for line number 20. For line number 25. Am I right? So let me draw the loop. We will consider the left hand. We will move up. We will move. It is facing arrowhead. Move along the line number 8. It is facing a dot. Move up. Okay. So remember this loop in your mind. Then we will make a similar loop from the right end of line number 25. It is moving up, facing an arrowhead, move along, facing dot, move up, arrowhead, move along, dot, move up. I think this is where the loop started from both the end are merging. Okay. So if you consider the loop, the lines over which the loop passes are 8, 11 and 23. Am I right? So the loop drawn from the right end is moving like this. Okay. The loop drawn from left end, it is moving like this. So 8, 11 and 23. So we have to enter 8, 11, 23. So when you add the tolerance of 8, 11, 23, you are getting 0.285. Okay, that entry you have to make against line number 43, 0.285. Okay, the requirement is 0.285. What is achieved is 0.285. So both are matching. So up to now, what you have done on the tolerance chart. So in the blueprint drawing, 4 linear dimensions with the tolerance are given. We have to check whether the process sequence that we have chosen is able to achieve these 4 dimensions with the required tolerances. So we have verified all the 4 are getting fulfilled. Suppose if any one dimension, okay, if the tolerance achieved is exceeding what is given, what you can do? Okay, your process sequence has to be revised. Okay, some of the operations you have to take it to the grinding. Instead of finishing some of the dimensions in turning, you have to take it to the grinding. So that way you can able to reduce the tolerances. Okay, so that way you can able to fulfill the requirement. So if you are not able to fulfill any 1 or 2 dimensions, then you have to revise your process sequence such a way that, okay, at the end of revised process sequence, okay, you are fulfilling the required tolerances with respect to all the given linear dimensions. Thank you.